Hi friends, welcome to the channel Dinesh. There is an information for you, that is a vacancy details. Vacancy is in Central Institute of Psychiatry, that is located in Ranchi, Jharkhand state. So we will go to the details here. So before that, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. So we will go to the details here. The vacancy institute name is Central Institute of Psychiatry. It is also under Government of India, that is a central government institute. So address of the institute, Central Institute of Psychiatry, Kanke, Ranchi. It is located in Jharkhand state. So here it is mentioned, online applications are invited from eligible candidates for the following posts at Central Institute of Psychiatry. The last date of receipt of application is 21st 9 2021. There are 4 or 5 posts are there. So in there we will go to nursing officer post only. So the details of nursing officer post mentioned here. The number of vacancy nursing officer 45. In that unreserved category 20 posts, SC category 7 posts, ST category 3 posts, OBC category 11 posts, EWS 4 posts, and physically and disability candidates 1 post. The scale of pay, that is same as central government post pay scale, that is level 7 of the pay matrix, that is basic pay starting from 44,900 to 1,42,400. So another important point, that is qualification. Candidates having BSc nursing or post BSc nursing with registered as a nurse in state nursing council. Otherwise, diploma or diploma candidates, GNM candidates also can apply. They should have 1 year experience in a minimum 50 bedded hospital after acquiring educational qualification. For BSc or post BSc candidates, no need for experience certificate, but for GNM candidate, 1 year minimum experience should be there in a 50 bedded hospital. And also the GNM nurse should be registered in state nursing council. Age limit for general candidates is 30 years, general and EWS candidates is 30 years, for SC ST candidates up to 35 years, for OBC candidates 33 years, physically handicapped candidates 40 years, physically handicapped with SC ST candidates 45 years, physically handicapped OBC candidates 43 years. So that is about age limit. So we will check the details of the recruitment. The selection will be based on the written examinations. So there will be 50 multiple choice questions for duration of 1 hour. 50 multiple choice questions, duration 60 minutes or 1 hour. And there is no skill test for nursing officer post. Then merit list, the institute will release merit list of eligible candidates based on the performance of written examination. It is purely written examinations, that is OMR sheet based written examinations. The candidate should be prepared to write written examination at mainly in Ranchi only. So that will announce during the time of when they are announcing admit card. How to apply. Next is how to apply. The application is only through online mode. So you need to wait. The website, that is www.cipranchi.nic.in. Central Institute of Ranchi. The website is www.cipranchi.nic.in. I already told the last date is 21st 9 2021. Hard copy of the application form will not be entertained. So there is no need to send any hard copy through postal. only application is only through online mode, that is through the website, and there is a application fee for application, that is for unreserved EWS OBC candidates 400 rupees, for SC/ST candidates 300 rupees only, for physically handicapped candidates there is no fee, and the amount should be paid online in the Bank of Baroda Kange branch in favor of account name Central Institute of Psychiatry, account number also mentioned, and once examination fee is paid, it is not refundable, and admit card will release later, and another thing is examination center, I already told, it will be Ranchi or nearby area main cities only, so you should prepare for that. So for written examinations, candidates are directed to bring black ballpoint pen. I told it is a OMR sheet based exam, so you will get a OMR sheet. You need to make the black mark on the bubbles or black mark on the circle. So for that you need to bring black ballpoint pen, and for the written examinations, for filling up the answer sheet, OMR sheet, only black ballpoint pen must be used. For further details, updates and information, please refer to website. So that is about the vacancy details. So 45 nursing officer vacancies are there in Central Institute of Psychiatry. It is a central government institute, so pay also will be same as central government institute. So best wishes, you can apply. So I will give you link and the details in the descriptions, you can check it there. Thank you.